बेंगलुरु में हर साल गर्मियों में आम का मौसम एक खास खुशी और यादों से भरपूर तजुर्बा है। मगर अब इंडिया पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट ने आम की तलब और खुशी को एक नए अंदाज में और भी ख़ास कर दिया है। ये कहानी शुरू होती है जब डाक खिदमत ने कर्नाटक स्टेट मैंगो डेवलपमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग कॉरपोरेशन ने हाथ मिलाए ताकि आम बराह रास्त खेतों से शहरियों के घरों तक पहुंचाए जा सकें। अब शहरियों को न भीड़ भाड़ वाले बाज़ारों में जाने की ज़रूरत है और न ही गैर मोतबर दुकानदारों पर इन्हिसार करने की। बस कारसरी पोर्टल पर ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर दें, अपनी पसंद का आम मुंतखब करें, अदायगी करें और 2 से 3 दिन के अंदर आमों का एक ताज़ा डिब्बा दरवाजे पर ही पाएं। हर 3 किलो का डिब्बा रामनगर, चिकबल्लापुर या कोलार के खेतों में एहतियात से पैक किया जाता है और 2 पहिया गाड़ियों पर सवार डाकिया घर तक पहुंचा कर जाता है। चिंतामणि जिला कोलार के किसान कृष्णा सागर रेड्डी के लिए ये निज़ाम सिर्फ आसानी नहीं बल्कि इनकलाबी था। उनका कहना है कि इस पोर्टल के ज़रिए वो बेंगलुरु समेत हज़ारों सारिफीन तक 50 से ज़ायद अक़साम के आम पहुंचा रहे हैं। अगरचे ये आम कुदरती तौर पर पके हुए और केमिकल फ्री होने की वजह से कदरे महंगे होते हैं, मगर सारिफीन उनके मेयार को सराहते हैं। ईंधन की बढ़ती कीमतें और नामियाती काश्तकारी की भी मेहनत इस कीमत का हिस्सा है, लेकिन सारिफीन से बराह रास्त राब्ता सब कुछ काबिल कदर बना देता है। डाकिये जो पहले सिर्फ खतूत या पार्सल पहुंचाते थे, अब एक बड़ी तब्दीली का हिस्सा बन चुके हैं।
Sir, hi, myself Krishna Sagar Reddy from Chintamani, and right now, so the thing is, from past, this is our 10th year. So we are selling mangoes of varieties of almost like 15 varieties. So in the top, the most the Alfonso and Imam Pasand, Banganpalli and Raspuri, Sindura, and these are the first mangoes comes to the market. So apart from this, rest of the mangoes will be joining in the May month. And the thing is, and this is the past 7 years, we have got launched Karsari portal from the state Karnataka government. And the MD sir of CJ Nagaraj sir has been helped us to get the portal and help for the farmers. And right now, so all the types of all farmers from it's not been like in Chintamani or in Mandya, or all the states of farmers are joining to the portal and they're selling their own products to the Bangalore. And so still now it's a Bangalore wide, enter the Bangalore we are selling out. And still now myself, we have made in the Fruits of Nature on my brand name, and I'm posting it in the Karsari portal, and we are selling across the Bangalore, and meanwhile I'm selling across our India. And meanwhile, and this year we started doing export for the Germany, and that is our biggest achievement. And second thing is, in Bangalore we are owning almost like 6 to 7,000 customers, and our product will be little costly, but the thing is, we give the quality products, and everybody in the farm the customers will be asking us, so why they'll do a comparison with us, so why is your quality is more costly is more your mango than other farmers. So I am telling I just want to inform to him, so everybody are expecting need organic one and natural ripening one and good ones, good quality. Apart from this also, if they are asking the price less and how to maintain the organic thing, so because if we want to do the organic method, so our expenditures will be more, so that's the only reason. So we are the mangoes are getting little bit costly with our portal, one thing. And apart from this, another one is, so as everybody knows, in every daily basis as per the government prices, so diesel rate get increases. Because of 2 rupees increase, the entire cycle is getting changed. So the diesel increases and the vehicle charges increases and the labor cost increases and equipments increases. So mangoes, everybody thinking only about the mangoes. Apart from the backside, what is the efforts they don't know. I think please I request every consumer to know what is the efforts of the farmer back end and how he is doing the organic method, and definitely is doing organic or is just using his words. Please know that and then purchase with the Karsari portal, or you can purchase it in our www.fruitsofnature.in portal also. Anyway,
कर्नाटक सर्कल के चीफ पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल एस राजेंद्र कुमार के मुताबिक ये मंसूबा बेंगलुरु में शुरू हुआ और अब दिल्ली और मुंबई जैसे बड़े शहरों में अगले दिन की तरसील के साथ फैल चुका है। इसकी कामयाबी को देखते हुए पोस्ट ऑफिस दीगर ज़रूरी अशिया जैसे इमली और तूर दाल की भी घर तक तरसील पर गौर कर रहा है।
Yeah, actually we have for the last 5-6 years we have been we have introduced this Mango Post, where we intend to, we have been sending mango parcels from farmers direct to the consumers. And today we are, with this launch, we are starting for this season. We have collaborated with the Karnataka Mango Development Corporation, as well as we are having direct links with the individual farmers and for the dispatch of mangoes. Since last year we have been sending these mango parcels to all the places in Karnataka. This year we intend to start dispatches to Delhi and Mumbai. So that is something new this year. And we would like to extend this to all other farm producers. We have already started getting parcels of tamarind and a few other like tur dal and all that. So we hope to get more such retail farm produce which we can send through the post. And we would also like to get the farmers to use other channels like we have a tie-up with the Zuari Agro, where the farm inputs like the material required for the farmers for their agricultural requirements, that will be given door delivery. And also we are having a tie-up with the Karnataka Seeds Corporation, where we will be able to give the seeds a door delivery, and that has been integrated with their system. So these are the various ways by which we are trying to get closer to the farmers and help them with services which are beneficial to them.
कर्नाटक मैंगो डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन के सरबराह डॉक्टर CG नागराजू ने बताया कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का ये रुझान नई नस्ल के किसानों को खासा पसंद आ रहा है। इस निज़ाम से एजेंट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं रहेगी, किसानों को बेहतर मुनाफा मिल रहा है और सारिफीन को ताज़ा आम। डाकिया विजयन को इस सर्विस का हिस्सा बनने पर फ़ख्र है। उनके मुताबिक आम के डिब्बों को निहायत एहतियात से संभाला जाता है और हर पैकेज मुकम्मल हिफाजत के साथ मंजिल पर पहुँचाए जाते हैं। इस मंसूबे से 1 लाख से ज़ायद आमों के डिब्बे पहुँचाए जा चुके हैं। किसानों को सारिफीन से बराह रास्त जोड़ दिया गया है।
We are from Bangalore GPO that every year we are going to give mangoes to the publics, and from Kolar they will purchase the mango and they will come and give to the GPO. Through postman we are delivering all online purchases. By postman is going to give for all the online purchases to the customers. Customers will be booked on online and we are going to deliver. This is happening from last 7 years. In Corona period also we have given delivery to all the publics. Thank you.
So what are the difficulties you face? Because I mean most of the time you guys travel in cycle, right?
No. We are going to now in the vehicles. Before it was cycle. Now advancedly we are going in the vehicles and we are delivering everything. Usually all areas will be covered by the different types of postmen. Every pin code they will have several postmen. In that they are going to deliver.